Who has won the Mexico GP 2019? Lewis Hamilton. Who has been elected as the president of Argentina? Alberto Fernandez. Who has been elected as the president of Mozambique? Philip Nyusi. In October 2019, UPI crossed the how many billions transaction mark? 1 billion. Which Indian institute have created the first ever Indian Brain Atlas? IBA, IIT, IIIT Hyderabad. Recently, India will now have how many union territories? 9. Who will represented ASEAN bloc in athlete ambassador group in Tokyo Olympic 2020? Mary Kom. Who appointed the next adjutant general of the Indian Army? Arvind Datta. Which country has released which country has released a new coin to commemorate the 550th anniversary of Baba Guru Nanak? Pakistan. Which has become the first state in the country to enact a law on contracting farmer? Tamil Nadu. What is the rank of India in the Global Health Security Index? 57th. Who won the JoJo Championship 2019? Tiger Woods. Who has taken charge as new Director General of National Security Guard? AK Singh. Which cyclone recently hits the coast of Kerala and Tamil Nadu? Kaire cyclone. The 35th ASEAN 2019 summit is being held in Thailand. And the and the ASEAN headquarters is in Jakarta, Indonesia. Jakarta is the capital of Indonesia. Member country is 11 member, and the full form of ASEAN is Association of Southeast Asian Nation, and the establishment day and year is 8 August 1967 in Singapore, but its headquarters is in Jakarta, Indonesia. Who is leading the Indian delegation at the 35th ASEAN Summit? Narendra Modi. Which state has launched a new initiative, Meal in Exchange of Plastic Waste? Odisha. Which country officially launched the 5G service? China. Which actor will be awarded Icon of a Golden Jubilee of IFFI Award 2019? Rajnikant. Which country is hosting the COP25 summit? Spain. Who is the winner of Big Boss Telugu 3 title? Rahul Simply Ganj. Which team wins the Rugby World Cup 2019? South Africa. Who wins the Lux Open Badminton Tournament? Lakshya Sen. Who won the Paris Master 2019 title? Novak Djokovic. Who clinched the Korea Junior Open title 2019? Mensnam Marabba. Where is Indian ASEAN and East Asia Summit 2019 held? Bangkok. When is World Tsunami Awareness Day observed? 5th November. Did the UNGA designated the 5 November as the Tsunami Awareness Day? 2015. The observation of Tsunami Awareness Day was initiated by Japan. Which team clinched the 2019 Deodhar Trophy? India B. Who announced to identify the online shopping as an addictive or disorder by 2024? China launched which country's first ever satellite SRSS first recently? Sudan. Which institute created India's first standing wheelchair? IIT Madras. Name the Indian Lok Sabha speaker addressing the 6th Speaker Summit G20 countries. Om Birla. For more about G20, the G20 is established on 26th September 1990. It is the G20 basically come from the G7, And the leader of the G20 is Giuseppe Conte, and the member country is 19 countries and one European Union. The exercise Samudra Shakti is between India and which other country? Indonesia. India test fire 3500 km range K4 underwater nuclear missile for which place? Bizag. Which company built the app Defense as Alliance to first bad apps? Google. Where is the headquarter of Google? California. Who bags who bags the gold medal in Asia Shooting Championship 2019? Manu Bhaker. A two-day global investor meeting Rising Himachal held in Dharamsala. Which country banned the Islamist outfit Al-Ardoi? Bangladesh. Which country recently approved the world's first drug for Alzheimer's disease GV 971? China. Which Indian batsman created the historic record of playing the 130th match? Rohit Sharma. When BRICS was found? 2006. And the more about BRICS is BRICS was founded by Brazil, China, and Russia. BRIC is formed on June 2006. The full form of BRICS is Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Which city hosted 2019 conference of No Money for Terror? Melbourne. Which state topped India's first ever ranking on justice delivery? Maharashtra. Which place in India did MPC of Milan 2020 conclude? Bizag. The Sanskrit Bharati Biswa Sammelan held in which city? New Delhi. Recently, NASA unveiled its first electric airplane, named it X-57 Maxwell. Who has become the youngest Indian cricketer to smash an international 50? Saifali Verma. Which country is hosting the BRICS 11th Summit 2019? Brazil. The theme of the 2019 BRICS Summit is Economic Growth for an Innovative Future. Which country will host BRICS 12th Summit 2020? Russia. The fifth WEF annual meeting 2020 is being held in Davos, Switzerland. Which state government given approval to world's first CNG terminal at Bhavnagar Port, Gujarat? The 2019 World Para Athletics Championship is being held in Dubai. What is the theme of this year's World Science Day? Open Science, leaving no one behind. The nation became the first South Asia to call match fixing a crime. Sri Lanka. The Bali Yatra festival is being in Odisha. WGO appoints as new chairman of Unilever is Nils Anderson, who takes oath as the Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court, Mohammad Rafiq. Which nation set to host World Kabaddi Cup 2019? India. Who to be the chief guest at Republic Day 2020? John Jair Bolsonaro. But later on, in still, is Prime Minister of England, UK, but still he is cancelled his visit due to the COVID-19. Which nation top business bravery risk in South Asia? Bangladesh. Moody's lowers India's GDP growth for a forecast to dash for 2019 5.6%. Which Indian board has awarded the Golden Leaf Award at a TAB Expo 2019? Tobacco. India celebrates the National Press Day on every year in 16th November. The National Tribal Festival RD Mahotsav is to be being in New Delhi. The national mission Nistha launched in Jammu Kashmir. Where was the 11th BRICS 2019 held summit held? Brazil. The first which first female officer will be posted aboard as the naval attaché by Navy? Kirby Gogoi. The joint exercise Tiger Trump began in Visakhapatnam between the India and which country? USA. The fourth Intel Cherry Blossom Festival 2090 celebrate in Shillong. Which country become the first country in the world to introduce WHO approved typhoid vaccine? Pakistan. Who sworn in as the 47th Chief Justice of India? Sharad Arvind Bobde. India ranks on a IMD World Talent Ranking report while topped by Switzerland is 59th. The NCAER forecast the India's GDP growth for financial year 2020 is 4.9%. Which country beat the Mexico to lift under 17 football cup 20 under 17 football cup? Brazil. Who won the Indira Gandhi Prize for 2019? David Attenborough. What is the cost estimated for the next census 2021 in India? 8,754 crore. Thank you.